Welcome, everybody. It's my great honor to declare open the Open Data Workshop 2026. I'm Mathieu Dubois. I work at L2IT in Toulouse, France. This is where the in-person event is being organized. So it's the Open Data Workshop 2026. As you can imagine, there was some edition before. In fact, it's the 9th edition of this event that started in 2018. And it is organized by the LVK collaboration, the LIGO Virgo Kagra collaboration, in case you don't know, through the Gravitational Wave Open Science Center, the GWOSC. So there's a whole team of people who helped organize this event, and it's part of the open science effort. We will talk in depth about this effort in this afternoon with the talk by Agatha. So for this edition, 900 person registered online. In fact, they are still registering. I still receive emails, so that's great. And there are 17 study hubs around the world. One just appeared this morning. So you can see on the map, we have study hubs in the America, in Europe, in Asia, everywhere. So this is really a worldwide event, and you're part of it. So welcome again. Okay. As you can imagine, with such a widespread event, we have to use a hybrid structure. So the most important place you have to go is this website, which I often call the Thinkific website because it's on thinkific.com. So this is this is the online course where you will find the information to install and run the tutorials. You can also follow the curriculum, see when lectures are scheduled, and so on. And you can answer the quizzes. At the end of each tutorial, we have a set of questions for you to practice. And basically, you have to put your answer on this website. We'll talk about the data challenge a little bit later. In case you need help, you can ask a question on this forum, ask.iguin.org. So this is a website run by the LVK collaboration, where everybody can subscribe and ask questions. Okay, it's a discourse forum. I assume most of you have heard of discourse. Well, it's a classic forum where you have different categories. So we have the category for the Open Data Workshop, and you can use the ODW 2026 tag, so we can find the question more easily. Okay. Very important also what you will learn in this workshop. So hopefully you will learn how to access gravitational wave open data and analyze those data to detect events and estimate the source parameters using the very same tools that are used in the LVK collaboration. So it's a very practical introduction to the topic. So to do so, we'll have the lectures. As I said, they will take place during the next 3 days, starting today and until the 22nd of April. They will take place between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. at Central European time. So take that into account if you're on a different time zone. You should be able to follow them on Zoom. I think a few small hundred of people are doing this right now. And Zoom is for live attendance, okay? And if your time zone or other constraint does not allow you to follow them live, you can see the replay on the GWOSC YouTube channel. So you have the handle here to find it. Then you will have to find the live replays. I assume most of you know that. Besides the lecture, and very importantly, we have the hands-on session, the tutorial for the hands-on experience. They are in the form of Jupyter notebooks. You should have instruction on how to run and interact with them in case you're not familiar. And as I said, at the end of each tutorial, you have a few questions to practice this. So that should make the bulk of what you will learn. And in order to apply this immediately, you can participate in the data challenge, in which you will test what you've just learned on realistic data. And you can submit your solution on the course, the online course. There is a deadline for that because some people will actually look at the answer you proposed and pass you. Hopefully everybody will pass. The data challenge is it's a bit of work. So we gave you a nice deadline of May the 3rd at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So with that, you have everything you need to have a very good learning experience, I hope. Very importantly, as I said, a lot of people were involved into the organization of the Open Data Workshop. So first of all, we received funding from the European Gravitational Observatory, which is the institution running Virgo. We also received money from our host institution, CNRS and the University of Toulouse. And there was a lot of people involved in the organization, all the people from the GWOSC, the people organizing study hubs and mentors all around the world, and of course our local committee. I didn't put all the names there, but you can find who's behind that and thank them. That's all for me. If there are some questions online, maybe I can answer them, or also in the amphitheater, of course. No. I think I did not open the chat. I don't know how to do that. Okay, I think I forgot to open the chat online. I thought it would work automatically. There is this Q&A thing, so you can use it. Okay. Okay, well, if everything is fine for you, we can reconvene in a few minutes at 2 p.m. here for the first lecture. Thank you.